Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday and we are heading up to Linden, Indiana to check out some barn find Land Cruisers. Got my C4. We're ready to hit the road, go do some estimates, and we're going to hit the highway and you're going to come along for the ride. We're out to pretty much nowhere. Linden, heading out to a barn. Pretty excited. What do you guys think? This should be interesting. I guess we're gonna arrive. So let's go inside, check these out, and see what we got to work on. About to walk in, check out these Land Cruisers. We got a number of them, and we're here with Ruben out in Linden, Indiana. So let's go in and check them out.
The guy that I bought it from got it from a guy in Virginia that had it sitting for a long, long time. It's a 75. It actually has a 303 FE from a 1990 Land Cruiser in it. That was my dad's. It's a solid car. It just needs some TLC. This is 1962 FJ40. There's the 71 that came from Michigan. It's really rough in terms of the body, but the frame is great.
So what do you guys think? Comment below, and we're gonna go check some more of these out, and we'll see you guys in the next video.